Hi, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm getting $500 per day all the way up to $2,000 per day with this new high ticket affiliate system. But you have to stick until the end of this video. Why? Even though it's gonna be maybe boring, you have to know exactly the steps I took, and I'm going to show them, I promise, live in front of your eyes right now as you're watching this video on YouTube, how I'm doing it, how I'm able to close high ticket sales without ever picking up a phone, sending people to boring long ass webinars, or basically just waste lots of my time, right? How I'm doing it time and energy free. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right? This high ticket affiliate system, it's paying out 100% affiliate commissions daily. So as you can see over here, I just had $500 in a day, but now I'm going to show exactly how I did it, right? So let's go straight into the dashboard. As you can see over here, right? Once you join the system with me and we work together, you're gonna receive the same thing, right? You receive done for you landing pages. You can use my own system, right? You're gonna receive also email templates, your own custom logo, multi-page funnel, and also beautiful your website, right? Which is very important. As you know, in this era of online marketing, it's not about shooting down the product, down the customer throat. No, it's about high quality support and services that people actually use, right? The key answer is use. It must be high quality, right? So it's beneficial to the person, to the business owner, I don't know, network marketers, direct selling, whatever you are doing, you need social media presence, you need to be somewhere, blog, website, right? Having a funnels and doing it cost effective way. So how I'm making these high ticket commissions? As you can see over here, right? Once you make the sale, right? You get an email from the company saying, congratulations, you made a sale. They give you the details, what kind of sales you made, right? And so on and so forth. You also have a support team supporting you, so you are not alone in this, right? So as you can see over here, as I show you, right? Okay, we have email autoresponder. As I promised you, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it, right? So I'm going to show you what happens when the person, let's say, person come to my email autoresponder list and they don't buy, they don't join, they don't pay $2,000, or they don't start with $500 or $1,000, right? For any whatever reason. The company, the system already have done for you emails. You don't have to write them by yourself. But what I'm giving you personally as a bonus, when we work together one-on-one, is basically my posts, my emails, my text messages that I'm using to generate those high ticket sales, right? This is why I also, and the video will gonna be posted below this video in the description below, why I become one of the top 10 and top 1 super affiliates in this system, in this company. So as you can see over here, right, what I'm going to do, let's call it, right? Someone came, the lead come into my follow-up system and they did not join, they did not buy. So let me show you what am I going to do. Okay, let's say what my avatar, what my customer, right? It's a human, it's not a robot, it's not AI, right? It's a human, what they are thinking, right? You have to understand marketing, psychology, sales, right? All of this kind of thing, or have someone to guide you through along the way. Let me show you, right? I'm going to ask them, will this work for you? Right? Subject line, will this work for you? Now I have different leads. I lead with different emails, different curiosity-based subject lines, right? Story-based emails, what not. So just an example, right? Will this work for you? Question mark. And then what I do, right? I'm going to copy and paste what I already written before is this. You see? I'm just giving you this for free. Guy, if you're watching this video, gal, if you're using this email, I'm sure you're gonna make tons of cash. If you're promoting whatever coaching programs, whatever software which is above $5,000 or $2,000, right? As you can see here, right? Will this work for you? What am I doing in this email? You see, if you have been on the fence about getting my new system that turns cold clicks into spendable cash, I get it. There is a lot of people making big promises with greedy closeout. You pay, then you are let down. Because half of the puzzle pieces are missing. It's correct, right? Lots of people join courses on affiliate marketing and then the puzzle is taken out, right? There is one missing puzzle. So that's why, of course, people are skeptical, and that's normal, right? You should be skeptical when you're starting something new, but you shouldn't allow skepticism to procrastinate, right? To make excuses why you don't want to start, why you're too scared, or why do you need a special guarantee, right? Because in life there is no guarantees, as you know, right? And you're smart as you're watching this video right now, and I know you know this, right? So this is the exact email I'm using, right? Follow-up email sequence. What? It took me 3 minutes to write it, or 2 minutes, right? And I'm giving them as a bonus to you and we work together, right? Now you see how it works. No pressure sale, no buy this now, or stuff like that, right? Does it make sense? I'm asking you, does it make sense, right? It's follow-up sequence. It happens all the time, online and offline, right? You go to buy some new house, you go to buy a new laptop, new phone, whatever gadget, right? You're gonna receive emails later, or direct mail, right? So wherever you are living, depend on the country you're in, this system can be duplicatable in any country. So it doesn't matter where you live, right? Lots of people want to make money online. They want to get educated on how to drive traffic, how to build and scale their online businesses, right? So of course it makes a lot of sense to have a system that's done for you and help you generate sales. So if you're still watching this video, right, you can reach me out after watching this video here on my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or email, whatever you're using, as you can see over here, right? So this is my Instagram, right? You can reach me out over here, and then you can ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing, about the system, about low ticket or high ticket, or clickbank or MaxWeb, whatever you're interested in. But in this case, I'm showing you how I become #1 super affiliate with this high ticket affiliate system, right? So if your dream is to make $10,000 per month, to travel around the world, as you can see over here, right? Or more, make $50,000 per month, right? Ask yourself, right? Is it doable? Yes, it's doable, but do the math. Do the simple math. How many conversions you need to make $10,000? With this system, 5 sales per month or 5 conversions. And you don't have to pick up the phone. You don't have to show your face, right? It's all done through the system, right? As I showed you before, what I'm doing, right? How I'm doing it. So if you want to have same results or better results than me, what you can do after watching this video is contact me on my Instagram or anywhere else, right? We can connect. So just let me know, right? Let me know after watching this video. And over here you can see, right? What am I doing? See? Over here is writing irresistible subject lines, right? So how it works? First of all, it has to be specific, right? It needs to promise some kind of benefit at the end, and it has to have a proof in it. So that's subject lines. Next thing, I write also curiosity email, right? Make people curious. What is it, right? Like this YouTube video, for example, right? And I'm giving you this for free right now, right? I'm giving you some tips, some hacks for free in this video right now. I could charge you easily $500 to $1,000 for this tip, right? So I hope you use it. And if you have any kind of questions on how you can make money online with Google ads, Facebook ads, and let's call it especially affiliate marketing, right? Or online marketing. It's kind of passive income. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, after watching this video, especially if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, right? If you've tried other things in the past and hasn't worked out for you, then give it a try, do something, take action now as you're watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, smash the like button below so you can get more helpful tips